Former President Trump's Supreme Court case sparks heated debate over presidential responsibility. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Former President Donald Trump has taken a bold legal step by filing a petition with the U.S. Supreme Court to block his disqualification from future presidential elections. According to a Thursday, January 18, 2024 Raw Story article, this development comes as former President Trump faces an attempt to disqualify him based on allegations related to the 2020 election. It marks a significant escalation of the struggle. In their filing, Mr. Trump's lawyers make a clear case. Trump has claimed immunity from prosecution and, most importantly, reiterated that he was never an officer of the United States. The essence of this argument hinges on the interpretation of the Insurrection Clause of the 14th Amendment, but since former President Trump has not exercised his status as an officer of the United States, this clause does not apply to records related to the office of the president. The legal document states, the court should reverse the Colorado decision because former President Trump is not an officer of the United States under the Constitution and therefore is not even subject to Article 3. This confirms that former President Trump may be protected from the consequences outlined in Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, cited in the brief, states, no person shall be a senator or representative in Congress, or elector of president and vice president, or hold any office, shall have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the same, or given aid or comfort to the enemies thereof. Mr. Trump's lawyers are seeking to invalidate the provision's application to the former president, arguing that the only thing the provision does is prohibit it. Individuals cannot hold public office, but they cannot seek or win election to public office. The brief asserts that even if former President Trump were under Article 3, he would not have participated in any act that would be considered insurrection. The act requires courts to reverse decisions based on these grounds, with the goal of ending once and for all what the court calls an unconstitutional disbarment effort. This legal maneuver by Trump has created a complex interpretation of constitutional provisions, raising questions about the scope of presidential immunity and the application of the 14th Amendment in cases of alleged insurrection. The filing argues that Section 3 cannot be used to deny former President Trump access to the vote, arguing that the provision only prohibits individuals from holding public office, and that it does not allow individuals to hold elected office. He emphasizes that this is not about seeking victory or winning. As this legal story unfolds, the intricacies of constitutional principles, presidential privilege, and the specific language of the 14th Amendment emerge. Mr. Trump's attempt to find a legal path to his own political future adds a new layer to the ongoing debate about accountability, presidential power, and the rule of law in the United States. It is important to note that this is breaking news and further developments are expected as the legal process progresses. There is no doubt that the Supreme Court's response to former President Trump's request will determine the outcome of this high-stakes legal battle. Thanks for watching till the end. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section. Thank you.